Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is time for the July brown sugar box unboxing. I admit I was on the brown sugar Facebook group site and saw the spoilers for this month, and it has taken everything in me to not open this box off camera because the t-shirt for this month has been screaming my name. I have wanted to pull out my shirt and wear it quite a bit. Here's my box. It's a little beat up this month. It looks like it had a little bit of a rough journey here. Brown Sugar Babe on the front. Oh, I can't wait to get it here if I can open it. And here is this month's box content. So the first thing is the Brown Sugar subscription box magazine, and this month there is a beautiful lady with neon colors, and she's got a really cute eyeshadow look. And this month's box says refresh, recharge, retreat, destination, spacation. That's my language. Body positivity in a summer ready world, daycation ready, and yoga and meditation for a stress-free summer. This month's box has a $96 box value. So let's dig in. The first item here, let's see, maybe as a travel pouch. I'm not sure. Okay, so the first item is actually an Izzy and Liv inflatable pillow. And it is just a travel pillow that comes with a storage pouch. I'm a little disappointed because in the magazine, it looks like they're supposed to have Izzy and Liv branding on them. And my inflatable pillow does not have any branding. My pouch, maybe it's the pouch. Let me look at that again. Okay, correction. It is the pouch that has the branding on it, but the neck pillow does not. My preference would have been to have the inflatable neck pillow to have the Izzy and Liv pouch branding as opposed to the storage pouch. I think that's a bit of a miss for this month. I don't know. I may gift that because I think I like the texture of my airline pillow a little bit better, and the fact that this one is inflatable, I don't know that that's my favorite piece out of it. The next is the luggage tags, and they're one of two designs, and I actually got the one that I really wanted, which is the catch flights, not feelings. That speaks to my soul right there. So there's that. So I really like that, and it has a little insert so you can put your information. But I love the catch flights, not feelings. The other option was Travels of a Magical Black Girl. So I'm glad that I got this one. I won't have to ask to swap with anybody in the Facebook group. The next is a book called Soaring on Love by Joy Avery, and it is a romance novel. It's a Harlequin, and my mom is a Harlequin romance novel fanatic. She has purchased thousands of Harlequin romance novels over her lifetime and continues to download them on her Nook, and she'll continue to buy them. So I probably will gift this to her, and then if she says that it's good, then I may ask to borrow it back to read it, but I will give that to my mom. The next are pearl headphones, and these have the Mardi Gras bead feel to them. They had some solid colors, but these will absolutely stand out. And I love the fact that they are so girly that I don't have to worry about my nephew jacking me for my headphones. So I really like that. And I'm going to just see, it fits perfectly in my phone. So I love these. The fact that it's long, I could still, have my phone in my purse or in my back pocket and no issues there. And then the control is actually embedded into the line like any others, but it kind of blends into the bead design. So I really like these, and these were a $12 retail value. So I'm definitely keeping those because I was needing a new pair of earbuds. The next item is a travel pouch, and they had one of 5 colors, and this one is in blue. I'm going to call it Caribbean blue, and this would be perfect for me to actually keep my earbuds in, or any other little travel accessories like chargers, extra battery packs. It would also go perfectly with my Montego gym bag and my travel gear from Dooney & Burke. So I really like this color, and the fact that it has the bright yellow zipper top branded for Izzy and Liv. I really like this. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and put these in here. The next item is a fanny pack. And I know those are making a comeback, have made a comeback. They look very different now than they did many years ago when I carried one. But this one is in like a metallic pinky color. I'm just not a fanny pack girl. So I will put this aside and gift it to someone, most likely during the Christmas time. It's cute, but I'm just not a fanny pack carrier. I don't even see me using it on a cruise. Plenty big for me to drop my phone and other things in there. But it's reading more pink, and it's shiny, and I have a thing about shiny things that aren't diamonds, and I'm not a pink girl. So that will be put aside and gifted to someone else. I love the idea. It's perfect from a travel standpoint. I like that this month there is you can definitely see the theme, right? A little travel pouch. You need earbuds when you're on the plane or sitting at the airport. You need a good read. You need tags for your luggage. You need a travel pillow. You need, something to keep your stuff in when you're out and about or sightseeing. And best of all, this month's shirt is absolutely gorgeous, and it says official fly girl, and I could not be happier that red is dominant because it's my favorite color. So it will match any bags or shoes or other accessories that I put with it. I have plenty of red in my wardrobe to pair with it. So I am loving the official fly girl shirt for this month. So that's it. Overall, I'm really pleased with this month's box. The travel pillow, I'm probably going to gift that. I'll keep the ones that I have. Nothing wrong with this one. I just have a preference for the ones that I have. And the fanny pack for the reasons that I've already stated. But everything else is mine. I'll gift this to my mom, but at some point I'll get it back and read it. Or maybe I'll read it first and then just pass it on to her. I'll need to read the synopsis and make a decision. So that's it. Thank you so very much for watching. Until next month, I do hope that you're enjoying the items in your brown sugar box. If you have not yet subscribed to Brown Sugar Box, you need to get your life together and go check them out. If you are a woman of color, then this is absolutely one of the best, in my opinion, subscription boxes on the market that focuses on women of color. And there are tons of great items that come every month. Some you'll love, others you may find that you want to gift or to share with a friend. But that's the beauty of this subscription box. Multiple items come every month, and if you can hold on to your boxes, because these boxes have become all the rage. Whether I saw a post where a subscriber used them to create like bags for, or boxes for her daughter's birthday party. I used mine this past year to give to pack gifts for my mom, my sister, my cousins, my aunt at Christmas time. The brown sugar. I mean, it's just really nice to have a gift that you can, or a subscription box that allows you to not only enjoy the content, but to be able to reuse the packing. I have used the pink fluff that comes in here in gift bags, in gift boxes. It made packing for Christmas a lot easier. Make sure you go over and check them out. I've got a referral link down in the info box. If you've been here before and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting on? You come back every month to check and see what's in my box and to hear my thoughts on it, and I appreciate that. But make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell for alerts for future uploads. Until next time, your official fly girl is catching flights and not feelings.